becomes a deterrent to business people wanting to invest in your province. In fact, you were saying the opposite is happening. People are flocking to KZN to invest. If you were to lose Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, given what is going on right now, what would your reaction be as Premier of the province? Do you think he's doing a good job? I doubt that you're going to say he's not, because you've just commended his ground soldiers or his foot soldiers.
Well, Polly, you see, there is no doubt that his leadership in SAPS in the province of KwaZulu-Natal is ensuring that there is stability in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, and even the trust by the community to the police is increasing because of the leadership that is providing in the province. And I hope not to lose him anytime soon, because he's doing good work. The police in KwaZulu-Natal are doing a good work. Even the women police, they're doing good work. They once had an operation in Pietermaritzburg. Almost more than 140 people were arrested for different reasons. That operation was being handled by the women police only. So to us, the police in KwaZulu-Natal are having a leadership that is able to point to the right direction, which is assisting the province, in fact, to have stability, to secure a safer environment, though there is a lot that needs to be done, in particular by ourselves as government, by the communities and all stakeholders in the society to work together against crime, to work with the police so that we fight crime in the province of KwaZulu-Natal.
So, in short, Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, you would want to have him for as long as you possibly can to see to it that crime and criminality is basically brought to an end.
Absolutely, absolutely, Toli.
All right. Premier of KwaZulu-Natal, Thami Ntuli, thank you very much for your time, sir, this evening.